How to sync audio in Premiere Pro tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Step 1 is to drag both the video and the audio piece that you would like to sync together. The next step is to drag them onto the timeline. The next step is to make sure that you have the audio and the video layers selected. In this case, this is what we have. As you can notice, the audio piece is further behind. So we want to get our razor tool and cut and delete so they're more aligned. As you notice, they still sound off. So we're going to make the audio piece a little bit louder. As you can see, it still is off. So the next step is to highlight both the video and the audio, and this is where the cool part comes. Right click and then find where it says synchronize, which is above merge clips. In this case, you can synchronize the start, the end of the clip, or you can even click the audio and click OK. If you get this error, then you have to resynchronize and click one of the audio tracks. And there you have it. You have successfully synced both the audio and the video. If you are getting this error, then unfortunately you're going to have to manually go in to the video and the audio piece and synchronize it. So go over here and drag this down and move this until it syncs perfectly with the wavelengths. You may or may not have to zoom in on your keyboard with the plus and the arrow key and move it so that they are synchronized. How to sync audio in that video tutorial.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.